Welcome to my channel again. This is Overflowing Wealth, and on this channel, I put you through how you can make money with your smartphone or a little business with little or no capital. Today, I'm going to be putting you through on businesses you can do around you offline. Some people are not, tech, internet savvy, so we thought to, okay, how do we help them, how do we carry them along such that we can all build wealth, so that we can all be doing well and be making money. And before I continue, please, if you are new to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button so that you will be the first to get the videos when we upload them. And also, if you have any comment or you need any help, please drop it on the comment section below. I promise you I'm going to attend to them. And if you like this video, please give it a thumb up. Thank you. And I'm going to show you 5 businesses to run offline, especially in Nigeria, because of the environment, the economy, and other factors that are attached to them. And I'm going to be considering, businesses you can start with less than 100,000 capital, and you don't even need business registration to do that. You can start that, and of course, you can gradually build that, and I will put you through on how you can manage that and how you can do that with speed and in a short time. And you don't even need staffs to start with. When you start the business, of course, when it grows, then you can now extend that to employing more staffs or getting more outlets. And of course, I have a video that deals with that. Please do well to check on my videos so that you can get up-to-date information as regarding that. The first business I'm going to introduce to you and put you through on how to go about them and give you information about how it's working is POS and bank agents. Being a bank agent, there are some areas where they call them the unbanked, probably due to probably being rural areas or some factors that disallow banking presence or the presence of banks in that environment. Of course, you can leverage on that opportunity, become bank agent, and do this business, transact business, and you can make a lot of money doing that. And POS, people make withdrawals, people make deposits into their banks when they don't even have banks in those areas. Then you can do that. And for the banks, then you can approach the bank, and I'm going to put you through how you do that. The first thing is, now other things you can do with that is cable subscriptions, DSTV, GoTV, Star cable subscriptions. You get that and you get paid for that. Data recharge, people recharge their phones for internet subscription. Bill payment, people pay their NEPA bill, utility, other utility bills, they pay the bills, airtime recharge, and the agents, and the organizations that deal with it that you can approach, OPay, Momo, Access Bank, First Bank, and UBA, and many other banks like that. You can approach them, and I will the tips on how you can go that. Now, the tips are the first thing: you approach these banks, you open an account with them. When you open an account with the banks, then you request for POS machines, and when they see that, when they get it, they give you a form to fill. When you fill the form, then you get a POS machine, to yourself. Then you look for a location where you can put them. Of course, you don't have to pay for an office or but you can just look for a space where you can put an umbrella or a kiosk. Then when you do that, come on, business starts, and get a banner to say POS here. People just need to see and they come around. You'll be so surprised that you are not there. People already know that somebody is coming and they are relaxed, and in fact sometimes they'll be calling you, where you look for strategic positions to place this. I tell you, it's a good to make a lot of money. And when you do this over time, then you can now incorporate other business opportunities, ideas, to that and in that space. And with time, you can now extend, get outlets, get different locations, branches. And this is how you go about that. You just employ few folks that you don't have to employ graduate, somebody who is expecting so much from you. You just look for a young high school graduate, to put there, and you make for you. And I tell you, you can imagine if you make like 5,000 per day times 30, that's about 150,000. Then by the time if you pay these young sharps 25,000, then you will have made a lot of money. And that's the way to go. And the next business idea is popcorn and soft drink and water too. This is so lucrative, and this is a very good business that people are not actually looking towards that. If you go to the market and buy this grain of popcorn and get a popcorn machine for as much as say 50,000. Even some people, to even start out, they don't even have to buy the machine. They just have to even use their gas or even stove, and to start out. If you look for a strategic probably in front of someone's shop, you don't even have to even rent a shop to start. And you don't even have to stay there, because that's the issue people have. They feel, I'm big, I'm too big for. You just set it up, look for one young graduate, high school graduate, and put it there and pay the chap maybe 15,000 or 20,000. Come on, and you will have made a lot of money. And of course, I've done a video that actually broke down, the making of the money, how much the potential amount you can make, and this will be, done easily for you. I've itemized and I've analyzed the way. So please check the video, and you can follow up on that. And please don't forget to this channel. If you like the video, please give it a thumb up, and let us build this community. This is a community where we both share knowledges, about how to make money, how to, get wealth all together with little or no capital. Of course, and that's what is needed. That's the community. That's the community we need to build together. So please, what you need to do for us is subscribe to this button, and especially when you do that, you will be the first to get our videos when we upload them. And of course, I tell you, I promise you, there are a lot of videos, a lot of business ideas, a lot of so many things to do, both online and offline, that will bring money into your pocket. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.